Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete an album in your Amazon Photos. Now let's begin. Well, denote that I've already logged into my Amazon.com account. In case you have not, do log in. It's quite easy. Now I'm gonna go right over to Amazon Photos. Well, as you can see, this right here is the interface of Amazon Photos. And right now, I just want to delete an album. In my previous video, I had created one. Now let's try to delete it. On the left side of the screen, just below sharing, you'll see something like albums. Simply click on it. And as you can see, this right here is the album that I had created. I'm just gonna click on it right now. And then I will be redirected to this page. Now let's simply try to delete it. At the top right, just below my profile name, you'll see these three icons. That's share, slideshow, and more. Simply click on the third button right here, and then it's gonna give you a few options, whether you want to rename it, download, or simply move album to trash. Right now I want to delete it, so I'm gonna click on the third option, and it's going to ask for my confirmation. I'm just going to click on move to trash, and guys, that's it. That's the gist of it, guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.